Hey guys, this is Vinay Kumar back again with another video. I know it's been very long time since I've posted my last video. First of all, I would like to thank you all who have subscribed to my channel, and I would also like to thank each and every person who has seen my earlier video. Um, I'm happy to report that the first video of my channel I was able to cross 2.5 lakh views. It's around 250,000 views, and also I was able to cross 1000 subscribers. So once again I would like to apologize for the fact that I have not posted any other video apart from that. This is my follow-up video, and I will hope that this lives up to the expectations of all the subscribers. Um, so first of all, we'll start with some keychains from DC Universe. This is from the TV shows. This is the Green Arrow keychain. So again, as usual, this is made out of metal. It is a metal plate with the arrow logo, and if you see properly, the logo is very well etched into the metal. It is exactly like how it comes up on the show, and there is a diagram of Oliver Queen on the back of the keychain. Overall, it looks really good. It's a solid keychain. This is not a fidget spinner kind of a keychain, it's a fixed one, but again it should be very useful for people who are looking to make rough use of the keychain. So for example, for your keys, I would suggest not to use these on bikes and cars because of the metal frame. It is a solid metal. It might end up scratching your vehicle. Now let us look at some Marvel keychains once again. This was requested by one of the subscribers, and also in the comments, to show a keychain from Doctor Strange. This is a Doctor Strange universe keychain. So let me just take it out. So this is the Eye of Agamotto. I think that's how it's pronounced, Eye of Agamotto. So this is one of the stones of Infinity Stones which Thanos uses in the Infinity Wars. This was with Doctor Strange. This was used by Doctor Strange to control time, to reverse the effects by going back in time or turning back time. This is one of a really powerful Infinity Stone, and on the back of the keychain there is the logo of Doctor Strange. The word strange is okay, but this Doctor logo, I'm not sure whether it is matching up with the original logo, but at a glance it looks original. The logo looks like it's from the from the movie, and there is, I don't know if you can pick up from the camera, there is a small gemstone inside. I think it's plastic, it might also be glass, but they've gone to the effort of carving out a frame, and there is some design as well along with the stone, but it looks really good. It looks really authentic. Okay, let's get to the next keychain. Next we have something from the Black Panther universe, from the Black Panther movie. This is a Black Panther mask. Unfortunately, there are only two colors on the mask, that is black and some white for the eyes, whereas in the Black Panther movies, because they are using the metal vibranium, there are a lot of silver elements on the mask. It is not visible in this mask. Anyways, but it looks good. The design elements are there, but again everything is in black. So but yeah, you can easily make out that this is from Black Panther. And another sad part is, if you can see on the back of the keychain, the logo, they have just printed Black Panther in some generic font. It is not like the movies, but the build quality, again there is no compromise in that. The mask is very well built and it is a fully metal mask. It looks really good. So the next keychain, it is from the movie Venom. This is actually a keychain as well as a fidget spinner. It's really cool. Let me just show it. So if you see, it has the face of Venom, and I'm not sure if you can pick it up from the video. There's the logo of Venom over here. The logo seems to be similar to what the movie is. On the back there's nothing, it just says Marvel Studios over here, which again is as per the movie. But the cool thing about this is a fidget spinner as well. It's not a very good fidget spinner. I think it's just for show. Once again, the entire keychain is made up of metal. The build quality is really good. The next keychain is from Captain Marvel. This is a very simple keychain. It doesn't have any moving parts. It's a metal plate similar to the Green Arrow keychain. This thing is basically the logo of Captain Marvel. Once again, this entire keychain is made up of metal. The color scheme is very good. They painted it well, and this paint, if you see, it is not a cheap quality paint. The paint also has a lacquer finishing, so due to which the paint will remain fixed for a long time. It won't come out easily. And on the back it just says Marvel Studios and Captain Marvel. Once again, the logo for Marvel Studios is correct, and the Captain Marvel logo thankfully is accurate to the movie. And finally, from Avengers, from Marvel Universe, there's one more keychain that I have. This is a big one. As you can see, this is the Infinity Gauntlet. So this keychain, if you see, it has all the 6 Infinity Stones, and it also works as a bottle opener. It is not like very high quality in the details. The build quality is definitely good. It is metal. Attention to detail is not good. And finally, the base, the Marvel logo is bad. Thanos, there is no movie called Thanos. I don't know, these two, I don't think they should have included this. But this Avengers Infinity War logo is good. It's it's as per the movies. And from Harry Potter universe, I have 2 keychains. The first one is this one. Let me just take it out. So if you are a big Potterhead, that's the name for Harry Potter fans, this keychain, I'm pretty sure you'd love it because of 2 things. One, it is the logo of Hogwarts with all the 4 houses in it. This is Slytherin, Gryffindor, Ravenclaw and Hufflepuff. And Slytherin is the snake, Gryffindor is the lion, Hufflepuff is the badger, and Ravenclaw is the eagle. And it also has the inscription which is there on the logo. I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, but it's definitely printed. The second one is this cool Elder's Wand. So this is actually a really good keychain, because first of all it is a small wand. It's like really good, and second is that it is the Elder's Wand, which is supposed to be the most powerful wand. It's very simple. The wand is supposed to be made of wood, but again this is made out of metal, but it is of very good quality. Finally, I have another set of keychains. So these keychains are from Game of Thrones. So this is, as you can see, it's the House of Stark logo. It's a very simple keychain. It's the direwolf, and it says Winter Coming Stark. Okay, this text, I think they messed up on that. It should have just said Winter is coming. They messed it up. They typed Winter Coming, and they had it Stark. But okay, if you can ignore that, I must say the direwolf looks really good. And on the back it just says Game of Thrones and Home Box Office Inc. HBO. If you are interested in how the box looks, it's just this Game of Thrones. So this keychain is the Baratheon stag. So here is the Baratheon stag, and the house says Ours is the Fury, which is okay, and it says Baratheon. And once again, just like the Stark keychain, there is a design engraving around the logo, and it's really high detail, and it looks really good. And again on the back it just says Game of Thrones, and this part where the stag is. Now the third keychain from Game of Thrones again is the Lannister house keychain. The Lannister lion is good. It's just like how it is in the show and in the book. The design element is there. The pattern around the keychain is really good. And once again on the back it says Game of Thrones, and the Game of Thrones logo is actually good. It matches the show, and the engraving is really good. Only thing is it says Hear Me Roar, and it says Lannister, which, as most of you would know, it is not the saying of House Lannister. And finally, as expected, this is the House of Targaryen logo. See, this is a really good keychain because first of all it has a three-headed dragon, which is the logo of the House of Targaryen, or I think it's called the sigil. Yeah, in the books and in the show it's called the sigil, but for simplicity's sake I just say it's the logo. And once again the design around the keychain is there. It is really good, and as you heard, it's made of metal. By the way, all the 4 keychains, the build quality is like really good. It's all metal. It just says Fire and Blood Targaryen. Finally, I have something very cool from Game of Thrones. This is actually not a keychain. This is a I don't know what do you call it, a lapel pin. Yeah, it's a pin. So it can be it can be pinned on your shirt or your dress. It'll look really good. So basically this is given to the hand of the king. It's a really cool item. Again, as you heard, this is made out of metal. Finally, I have one last keychain from Game of Thrones. This is the last of the keychains for today's video, and after this I have full of surprise boxes. Again, I'm a big Marvel fan. The last 2 items are going to be Marvel related. Just stay tuned. So okay, so let's get to this. This is another iconic item from Game of Thrones. So as most of you would recognize instantly, this long claw, which is Jon Snow's sword. The sword looks really good. Not sharp. It will definitely not hurt you. But again, better. The sword is made out of metal. Just like all these things. So I got a really good deal on these two items. So yeah, I'll not push it any further. So there was a sale in Games the Shop physical store. I bought this in Mantri Mall, Malleshwaram. So they had this sale where they were giving, they were having basically a buy one get one free sale, and it was on this item. This is called as Funko Pop. So basically, this is not sure what to call this, a bobblehead. Yeah, bobblehead would be the best thing to say. So let's just take it out and show it to you. Anyway, by the way, if you are interested in how it looks in the box, this is how it looks in the box. I'm going to take it out. This is just a piece of cardboard. Yeah. This is basically an action figure of Thor from the movie Avengers Endgame, where as you can see, Thor is wearing the nanofiber suit, nanoparticle suit. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. It's really cute, and as you can see, there's a scar over here from Thor Ragnarok. And the second one which I got is this. This is a really cool Spider-Man bobblehead. This is basically the Iron Spider, as the logo says. And mind you, these are proper licensed action figures, not something which is like knockoff or fake one. This is a toy. By the way, this is the Iron Spider, and I got to tell, like, this is really amazing. I mean, just have a look at the amount of work that has been done into crafting this. So this is a really cool scene from the movie, and once again, this little bobblehead is really cool. I hope you guys really like this video. Like, share and subscribe, and of course, if you have any other suggestions, if you want me to make videos on particular keychains or any collectibles, please let me know. Thank you so much. Bye.